absolutely essential. Essential. I would have to have one. I couldn't think of life without a pet. I need a pet. I need a pet.
It's so important.
So important, yes.
We call them the girls.
Girls.
Because there are two. We look after the two dogs, Poppy and Penny.
In Scotland, the SPCA would help a stray animal, take the animal to a shelter.
Oh, it's an organization.
Yes. So you don't see stray dogs, or not really. No.
Do you see the stray animals around you in your life?
Like cats?
Cat or dog?
Not really. Where we live, all the animals are owned.
Glenn have
家庭中扮演着怎样的角色呢？
我就是从小就很喜欢宠物，我觉得养宠物很有意思。
那你有接触过，在生活中有接触过其他的流浪动物吗？
有，我的朋友是有开了一家流浪狗的救助站，然后里面有几百条的就是狗狗。
它是私
感觉像一个朋友，但是我和我妹妹都喜欢很多宠物，但是我的父母不给我去养，就因为我父母觉得它很脏，就不爱干净，就很难清洗，很难去打理。
那么你在生活中会接触到流浪动物关系之类的？
很少了解到这些，因为在中国感觉他们也没有怎么去宣传他们。